What's going on, guys? I think I was muted. I think I was muted. Here we go. Honestly, obviously, if you're aware, very, very tough decision for me to liquidate. Honestly, I knew the back. Yeah, I was muted. Yeah, the backlash I would have received, and this is just being me, not being me being transparent. There's a lot of questions, and what blows my mind the most, what really shocks me, is the conspiracies that are out there. I know usually compared to my enthusiasm, my happiness, and other. Can you guys hear me now? And I'm so muted. Hello? Can you guys hear me? Oh, hold on, guys. There might be like a 15-second delay. Oh yeah, there might be like a 15-second delay. Usually I like streaming like almost real time, but there might be a 15-second delay. Okay, so you guys can hear me. Okay, yeah. Um, what was I saying? Yeah, there's a lot of conspiracies out there. The what blows my mind the most is how the majority of people are so convinced that I sold out, that I got paid via a hedgie, that I have a gun to my head. There's nothing of that sort. Am I getting death threats? No, nothing, no threats at all. This is just me changing my opinion, giving an update. That's all it is. And the fact that it's so hard for, and I understand where you guys like where the majority of people are coming from. The timing, I didn't even know until yesterday that Trey was also receiving threats. All the timing is just one huge coincidence. I had a guy DM me on Twitter. His name was like Ape or something, Gorilla. I'll check it out right now. But he DM'd me. He says, "Hey man, you could come open to me. I was trying to. I almost got bought out yesterday. They tried to pay 3,000 for my Twitter to get bought out, and I didn't let that happen. You can open up to me. I could be the voice for you. I could speak up for you." And I'm like, "What?" I'm like, "Man, there's nothing. There's nothing here. There's nothing here." It is like a cult mentality. I'm like, there's nothing to talk about other than I changed my thesis. I understand the delusion and whatnot. And I think one of the almost overlooked things was that I'm gonna rebuy. Like I'm gonna buy AMC. I just don't know when. That's all it is. Like that's all it is. And he just didn't reply anymore. He understood. I think he understood. But he reached out to me. He said, "How much did they offer you? Three of us got the same offer. I'm shocked you took it." He said his offer came last month, and it doesn't make sense to me. Like I think the last thing on these hedgies' mind is a freaking YouTuber in a spacesuit with us with I don't know if it's a small following. I'm probably one of the smallest streamers out there, I guess you can say. Like I don't it doesn't make sense to me. And they were saying there was an offer for 50K on the table. 50K? Are you kidding me? And no, see, there's no hitman in the room. There's nobody here. There's no emails. There's no threats. There's nothing. Nothing. But yeah, here we are today. I'm not off. I'm not dead. I'm not vanishing off the freaking face of the earth. I'm still here. And Adam, that's another part, another core to me I mentioned before. Like it's difficult for me to hold something like this for this long. I'm a day trader at heart, man. That's my core. And I'm really fighting with that, and I gave in. Like this is not new. If you go back to my freaking videos in December and January, I recapped every single day how I was trading Tesla. Like that's my core. That's my go-to. This is what I'm good at. I guess you can say what I'm good at. This is what I know. And the whole AMC situation, it's at 10:02. Like it's not really moving. Like I'm just trying to just let it do its course, let it unfold. And if the price is right, like I said, I'll hop back in. That's all it was. And I'm still in GameStop, yes, because my gut is telling me to hold GameStop. I'm more leaning towards GameStop. And if I was being paid, if I was a hedgy, don't you think I would dump my GameStop as well? Yeah, see, that's a good question. Why don't you liquidate GameStop? Because I believe more in GameStop now. I'm leaning more towards holding GameStop than AMC. That's all it is. No, it's like for me, it's like I'll still look at AMC. I'll glance over it. Like I said, the price is there. If the analysis, if the catalysts are here, I'll buy. It's not like I'm done with it forever. And I mentioned that in the video yesterday. What's going on, Hameen? And I could kind of I'm trying to like I'm trying so hard to put myself in other people's shoes on how that video came off. And I think the low morale also really affected it a lot. And it made it I guess I know where that assumption comes from. Like I know why people are assuming that. But it was just yeah, MG was just honest, being transparent. Like I said towards the end of the video, I knew what was gonna come from this. I was already ready, but that's not gonna change. Being honest, being transparent, being really open with you guys is key to me. It's key to me. Yeah, and the majority of people don't really tune into the live streams to understand where I'm coming from. It's just like, oh, they see a video titled "Why I'm Selling AMC," blah blah blah, and it's just like they're gonna go crazy. And it's another slow volume day for GameStop, guys. It's not really moving. It's still a 180s though. It's not doing much. On the 4 hour, it might seem like it might come down to double bottom at 164. And again, I will add to GameStop if it pulls back. Again, it all comes down to what the right price. And that's the hard part. Hexagon, that's the real hard part. The the fact that there's two sides to a play. There's always going to be two sides. And like I've always told you guys, no matter how much it is for me, no matter how hard it is to go against your thesis, you have to do it. It strengthens your overall conviction on your play. And I think that's something that people struggle with. Thoughts on SOS? This one, I think SOS was running yesterday after hours, right? Mm, from what I've heard from SOS, there's a lot of fraudulent activity on the crypto side of this company, and that's one of the reasons why this also pulled back from the highs of $16. Would I chase it? Would I buy here? Absolutely not. I appreciate that, Gilbert. I appreciate that. Another thing I didn't like is that AMC and GameStop, they're not following each other anymore. They're not following. Ivan, that's exactly my idea there, my thesis. The next biggest catalyst is May, the annual shareholder meeting. Take a look at PLN. Is that Planet 13? Planet 13 cannabis shop in Vegas? It is Planet 13. That 13. This one's actually probably one of the only um cannabis stocks I was willing to buy and hold. Planet 13. Obviously very thinly traded, not a lot of volume. I appreciate that, Tiger. What's what's going on, Gil Bates? You guys want the two chart format? Two stocks, two charts? Oh, I forgot. How's Viacom and Discovery? Viacom and Discovery. Are we bouncing or we got faked out yesterday? Let's set this up really quick. There we go. Level two. Pull this down. Mm-mm. Star Clouds, you got into Viacom? No, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. What's going on, Will? Disca. Viacom's pulling back, still green on the day, but I'm still waiting, not rushing this one. Discovery's the next one as well. 44. Let's see, Tesla 688. What's going on, Banana Nut? Man, GameStop's not ticking. Oh, is today Wednesday? We have Powell on today, guys. We have Powell on today. Is the market still high? SPY 406. Matt, always coming through. Thank you for the donate. You guys don't donate. Still here to support us. Apes Fallen AMC, your boy Weather. What's your Spotify? I don't have a Spotify, man. I use Apple Music. I'll send you a nasty Hump Day playlist. You could go ahead and DM me that. I don't have Spotify though. Yeah, there's any time AMC is gonna rally, it's when I sell, man. I'm telling you. Every time I sell anything, it shoots up. So I'm doing you guys a favor. That Powell, come on, man. Give me those discounts. Give me those deals. I appreciate that, Lettuce. First of all, do these people even have positions? That's what I've been talking about. If you're gonna be streaming, have a position or at least show it. I'm trying. Fung Man, you already know the answer. I'm trying to hop into Tesla, but the numbers are not right. The numbers are not right. I'm not going anywhere, man. Arena, I'm not going anywhere. I'm still gonna stream. I'm still gonna be here. I'm still gonna be here. Why? Because there's opportunities everywhere, every single day, and I'm here to capitalize on them. I'm still in GameStop, no. Matt, thank you. I'll check that out right now. Thank you. You don't have to donate. You guys do not have to donate. Remember that we don't sell you anything here. We do not sell you anything. I think it was a bad move. AMC will inevitably recover eventually. Like I said, if the signs are there, if the indicators are there, I will rebuy. I think that's one of the biggest misconceptions from yesterday's video. And yeah, it takes guts to come out and just put this even a video like this out. I already knew what was coming. Like I said, but the core, being honest, being transparent is number one to me. Ryan, that's exactly what I've been wanting to do. And what I emphasized in yesterday's video is other opportunities in the markets. Viacom, Discovery, Tesla, and there's a lot of plays out there. If I'm considering buying back AMC, I better make a video about it. And then that comes off as, oh, I'm making a video of AMC because I didn't like the hate that I got. It's just going to be misunderstood. Like, I could already see that happening. I'll probably, if I buy back, I'm probably not going to state it. I'm not going to mention that I bought back. What's going on, Bill? Welcome back. Crypto for the weekends, for mostly on the weekends for crypto. I'm still on a massive wait list for Voyager on crypto. I have yet to receive approval. Matt, I'm opening your playlist here on Spotify, but I don't think I can. Is it? I'm gonna get copyright. Uh, I'll have to have an account. John, I haven't checked my Weeble. No, haven't checked my Weeble. See, and that's the case, Joe. If I don't tell you guys if I bought back, it's literally me not being transparent. As much as I'm gonna seem like, oh, I bought back just to please everybody and whatnot, it's gonna come off like that. I already can see it, and it's gonna suck. But I'll put it out there. Probably won't have a video I bought AMC. I don't know. I'll probably cover it in there, but it won't be solely that like that focus. You understand? Like it's the question also still remains when. When is the timing for that? I don't know yet. Benji Viacom still waiting. It's pulling back. I think there's more hedges to come out with margin calls and getting blown up. So that's why I'm a little worried about Viacom and Discovery. All right, Tesla has been just pretty much stuck in this range, 700 and 680 support. I thought we'd close that gap just like we did here at 680. We'd close that gap the same day at 665. I think we could come down to 660 on Tesla. That's why I'm still patient. I didn't sell GameStop. No. Yeah, Kyle, honesty, man. Honesty number one. Stay true to yourself. Always. Guys, we had a freaking LA Times interview. I was offered an interview with LA Times to speak about AMC. I do not respect the media. I declined it. Stay true to yourself. I promise you. Always, no matter what. No matter what. Always stay true. Does anyone know what time Powell comes on? Powell, Powell, Powell. We will always have Arby's. Never forget Arby's. Gonzalo, that also is in the back of my mind. Obviously, if AMC does start to push above 12, $11, obviously I'm gonna be interested. Like I said, the catalysts have to line up for me, the indicators have to line up for me, and I'll buy back. I'll buy back. And I don't care if I have to pay a premium for that. I'm managing my risk. There is no think or swim referral code. There is no think or swim referral code or TD Ameritrade. What do you think of GameStop? Are you holding on to GameStop? Yes, I'm holding on to GameStop. But I feel like I've seen 180 on GameStop for the last week or so, 2 weeks. And so there's some consolidation going on with GameStop on there. I'm not too worried. And no, there's no gun being pointed to me right now. Nothing. I won't blink twice. There's no emails. I have not even received one threat ever. Nothing. There's nothing. This is just literally me giving you my honest opinions, my honest updates. And it comes at such a bad timing. Yesterday I didn't even know Trey was getting threats until like midday. Do you think AMC will drop down to the $5 range? I don't think it'll come down that low. If it's pulling back 8.7, if that's the case, I'm gonna be adding already. I'm gonna be adding already. Again, we don't know the time frame. That's the biggest variable that I'm not comfortable with, the time frame. It seems like to me it's like it's holding $10. Yesterday we had that pull back to 10 and we're bouncing off the SMA on AMC at 10. If it comes down, you could possibly see mid-range here support around 8, 850. Another thing I've mentioned is again very catalyst driven stock. If this gets another bullish catalyst, it's gonna fly. AMC will fly if there is another bullish catalyst. Did you buy back at the Tesla? Absolutely not. I'm still waiting for it to come down and fill the gap back at 660s. It's getting hot in here. Let me take this off really quick. Are you interested in watching The Wolf of Wall Street with trade trades? Absolutely. Is that even a question? I've been so excited for that. Since last week, I've been waiting. 100%. And honestly, guys, think about it. Do you think the top of the list for these hedgies is YouTubers to buy out YouTubers? Do you think that's their main priority? Do you think that's going to fix their problems? A YouTuber with 17K subs? Marquise, what crypto I'm interested in Voyager. First and foremost, Cardano is what I'm really trying to get in first. Cardano. And I forgot the other coin. I think it was OGI, something like that. That I'm also really willing to buy. But I'm still again waiting for my approval on Voyager. If I was really selling on my community, I'd be shoving my freaking Venmo down everyone's throat. My merch, my Patreon. There's nothing. Nothing. This is just me speaking my mind. That's it. If you don't agree with it, if you can't handle it, then just unsubscribe. That's it. Unsubscribe. By all means, thank you for however much you were with us, with the community. But if you can't handle a different viewpoint, then I would suggest just leave, you know? That's all I can say. That's all I can say. Maybe some Ethereum too, Gonzalo. Roy and Kitty tweeted. Let's see, let's see, let's see it. Oh, I think I, I think I know this video. Nintendo 64. It's not even if you can't handle the truth. If you can't look at the other side, the other side of the trade. That's what I'm trying to push. Just look at the facts. Look at the positives and the negatives. Look at the numbers. That's all I'm trying to get you guys to see. That's it. And come to your own conclusion. That's it. That is it. GameStop pulling back, descending triangles, AMC following. Slightly, there's a slight delay on here, but I think it's slightly following it. I think it'll find some support at $10 though. Let's see, let's see. I wasn't even born when the Nintendo 64 came out. Yeah, it's gonna be a rough couple of days, upcoming days, obviously, if you're not aware. It's gonna be a rough couple days, but those who stay here appreciate the honesty, the transparency going on, moving forward. I'm not leaving. I'm staying here. I'm still in the stream. There's plenty of opportunities out there. And I think that video is just like a huge misconception. No, I'm not running. I'll never run for president. That's exactly what it is, Keith. The community is what it's about. Those of you that are in here today, this morning, I appreciate all of you guys. I truly do. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate the community we still have here. I know there might be a lot less apes. It is what it is. What's going on, Georgie? What's going on, George? And like it's the hate isn't really it's not like really hating me, I guess you can say. Because I already saw what was coming. Like I already knew it. It's not like it caught me by off guard. Like I already knew the type of following AMC has. Like I already knew the culture. I knew the community, you know. David, thank you for the dono. Don't have to donate. Keep on doing you, man. All the channel and Discord, your money, your trades, thoughts on Ethereum long term. Cheers, man. Thanks for all you do. Like I said, I'm not. I can't really give you my thoughts on Ethereum because I'm still a noob when it comes to crypto. I'm barely hopping into crypto, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe Ethereum broke what 2K, right? ETH price. Yeah, it's at 2000 and 2012. That's the price. Um, Obviously, I need to do more DD before I could possibly give you a thought on long term. But obviously, I'm very interested in crypto. I was mentioned on Matt Cores. I don't know what to say about that. Julio, I appreciate that. I have not bought Tesla. I'm still waiting for the right price. I'm telling you guys, it's all about timing. It's all about pricing. And I know people were mocking me yesterday about not the stock not loving you. And that's the truth, man. When I first started trading, I fell in love and I got burned. The stock market doesn't care about you or me, guys. I love Tesla. I really love the stock. But I know Tesla doesn't give a crap about me. It never will. Never will. And it could if it collapses, it'll fall without regret. It doesn't care about me. So I'm waiting for the price, the right price. This is like a dream come true now. You have GameStop and Tesla pulled up. And Walter, I'm like I said, it's like I sound like I'm completely gone. I'm abandoning AMC forever. Like first of all, I'm always gonna be a customer. Always. I love the movies. I'll always go to an AMC theater. I'm possibly going this weekend. But the stock is just not doing the things I want it to do right now. Chris, for Voyager, I'm waiting for my approval. I'm on the wait list. I am on the wait list. Apparently, there's a massive wait list on Voyager. Oh, Tesla, Tesla, why are you pushing up? Uh, Someone mentioned Facebook earlier. I mean, after the data leak, doesn't make sense why I'd be pushing up. You're still gonna look at AMC from time? Yes, yes, Mike. That's what I'm telling you. That's so overlooked from yesterday's video. I'm still gonna look at AMC. Of course I am. Well, I still buy? Yes. You guys don't have to for the mods. You guys don't have to. I guess you could say censor the messages. Like if they're trolls, if they're just leave them. Just leave them. Let them come here. Let them hate. You know, it's like it doesn't really affect me. It hurts. It does hurt, but let them come through. Let them come through. I don't trade OTC, Michael. I don't. Maybe if there was one, maybe a Rolls Royce, maybe I don't know. No, I'm not. I'm not selling out of GameStop. No, I'll never buy Facebook. I've always tried to catch a day trade on Facebook, and it's so different than Tesla. The movement is very different. Sometimes the pullbacks are way more aggressive, and I've lost on Facebook too. The ANC fans went so buck wild on the mod Robert for basically calling 500 dilution bad. And I don't see anything good about that dilution. Just being completely honest. First of all, it has to pass. Also, I keep stressing, go vote, vote. See, Tony, that's the thing. There's no one. There's nobody that scared me. Nothing. My phone's gonna die. Arby's. Ariana, thank you. That's exactly what I understand for you understanding where I'm coming from and are able to see that. Ali, what other stocks do you have? Where to go? Where to go? What other stocks have your attention right now? Viacom, Discovery, Tesla, obviously GameStop. I'm still looking at AMC. So those are the top of my list right now. Tupac energy. Yeah, my phone's always dying. Let me get my charger really quick, guys. Let's see. Let's see. I do have a battery pack. It's just not charged. Jamer's right here. He's doing good. He's doing good. What's going on, Alfredo? From the Bronx, baby. I appreciate that, Jay. Do I do I still like Arby's? Like always, man. 100% transparency, 100% honesty. Arby's was disgusting. Arby's was disgusting. Oh my gosh. I'm not in Tesla, Daniel. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet, baby. Oh, Smiley, I like your name. Rob's bodyguard. Trimisi, I appreciate the $10 dono. Again, guys, don't donate. Don't donate. Good morning, Ralph. A lot of people are hopping on AMC and GameStop because of the bandwagon. Then we'll never trade again. Me and many others are here to stay and learn. Stonks are stonks. Apes strong together. I appreciate the dono. True. Yes. How many of you here are new and just came into the stock market January? Say January, maybe mid-February, due to GameStop, the GameStop craze, AMC, and are new. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people who are just barely starting to trade. I wanna see the numbers. I wanna see who came in the last couple months. There will be no video titled "Here's why I don't like RVs." I threw 20K at Tesla on Monday. I regret it. Yeah, just be very careful. Look at the patterns on the chart. Look at the patterns. Last time this pulled back in a gap filled right here, 663 after gapping at 688. That's why I'm patient. I think it could gap down and fill that gap. And I'll continue to be honest. Why? Because when I first started trading, I wish there was somebody that I could just be look up to that was honest and told me both sides of the coin. That's it. That's it. And at the end of the day, baby, you come up with your conclusion. That's it. You make the decision. You make the call. Not me, not any other YouTuber, nothing. You make the decision. New tweet. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. I think it's the unboxing one, right? With the cat. I mean, with the kid. Yeah, we already saw that one. Oh yeah, I got wrecked on Dogecoin craze. Dogecoin. Kevin, and they shouldn't. Decisions should not influence yours. Yeah, GME is not holding the strongest here, guys, either. We had the 180 support, but as of now, if this comes under 180, we might reach that freaking offering price we had. That all at market offering dip we had here at 155, I believe, pre-market on Monday. Other than that, maybe we might hold mid 170s, mid 170s last Thursday's level. I'm sorry, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. So let's see where we hold. Preferably above this trend line here. Dark Trader, you always try to fool me with the prices, man. I don't believe anything you say anymore. And I literally have Tesla pulled up now. Tesla ain't leaving my freaking site anymore. It's not leaving my site. Can you please show GameStop on the right grid? Your face kind of covers GameStop. All right, let's pull this up. Let's switch it up really quick. GameStop, Tesla. Here we go. Huge call volume and equity volume and SOS. I'm so scared to touch SOS. Morning, Miguel. That's what I'm trying to figure out what time Powell's on today. I believe in an hour or so. And then I think we have him tomorrow again. I appreciate that, Parker. I'm doing just fine. How about yourself? I'm doing amazing. Uh, No, man, no. We're waiting for Powell. Yeah, if he tanks the markets, man, bring me that price on Tesla. Give me that price. I'm still waiting. It's a patience game right now on Tesla. Waiting for it to fill the gap. GameStop on the right is better. He's not even checking the AMC chart anymore. I'm pretty sure it's still stuck at 10 anyways. Let's see. Literally just 10. I think Viacom and Discovery just found their new levels of support, guys. What do you guys think? Above EMA, the 4 hour. Should we start buying? Should we start buying Viacom? Or there will be more, or there be more busts in the hedgy world, and Discovery and Viacom pull back even more. Should we test the waters? What do you guys think? I'm trying to get your guys' opinion, your guys' take, your thoughts. Because I know there's some of you guys that bought this morning. Powell's doing a giveaway, low stonks. Oh, next week's gonna be really insane for GameStop with those options, that volatility, potential. What's his name? What's the CEO of GameStop? I forget his name. It's not Gary. What's his name? I forget his name. Too many names. He might step down. I got in at Tesla at 673. What's your ideal entry? Obviously, I want to size in aggressively under 600. The time frame, I don't know when we'll get that price, but maybe under 660s for a day trade is really my target. Sherman. I know his last name. I don't know his first. I forget his first. George. Wait, George Sherman. Yes, I knew it was with the G. Mr. Sherman. If he gets vested next Thursday, possibly even Friday. Yeah, Cohen's not the CEO yet. It's kind of bothering me that these volume candlesticks are not the same color. Let's change this really quick. There we go. It's not Gary, no. Thoughts on OCGN? Ooh, what catalyst we have here? Kramer's pumping OCGN. Kramer's pumping. Oh, I don't like the 1 hour. 4 hour, what do we got? I wouldn't chase this, absolutely not. Look at the 4 hour. Every single spike we've had, it's been lower highs. I can't draw this. Let me get a second. Lower highs, And every single spike, it's been followed by a pullback. Even the spike here, what was this, like late March? I wouldn't chase. I think Kramer was pumping GameStop and AMC yesterday. Keep in mind, man, Kramer was and will forever be a hedgie. Forever. Once a hedgie, always a hedgie. Let's see Fintel. I'm very curious to see what Fintel has for GameStop AMC today. No, I'm still in GameStop. What's going on, Michelle? Welcome back. AMC is showing as an hour ago 1.8 million. The fall B rate has gone up though. Short ball fee rate 1.87. GameStop showing 250K, down from a million 19 hours ago. Fee is still under 1%. Again, that's from freaking Fintel. Be very careful with Fintel. I have almost been burned on OCGN ever again. Sell that and forget about it. Just be very careful. Understand what you're trading too. Look at the history of the chart, everything. What price would I grab PLBY? This one's actually pretty interesting. 10% after hitting 52-week high. NFT business. Hmm. Possibly 16 bucks. Let's set our alerts. Maybe for just a bounce here on the 4 hour on the daily. Let's set our alerts. This one's actually pretty interesting. Playboy. All right, so but let's see if Walmart continued its rally after bouncing off four on the 4 hour. This is very beautiful. I sold my Walmart, took my profits on that one. I think we barely made anything. Visa was another one we sold on. This was actually up today as well. The one we really did miss was HD Home Depot. This one had a ridiculous bounce, ridiculous overextended rally on the daily. Look at that. This is nuts. We were gonna hop in like at 250. This is crazy. It's gonna pull on back possibly to like 290. But at that point, I wouldn't even buy it anymore. It's gone. Missed it. Oh yeah, Tyler, I wouldn't trust Fintel. At one point, they were showing zero shares short available for GameStop, and that number vanished. They took it off. Palantir. Palantir's been stuck at this range too. It looks like we're cracking down now. If it cracks down 20, it's coming down to 16, 15 bucks. Come on, Tesla, do something. I do pay for Apple Music. No, I'm not touching SOS. Hell no. Oh my gosh, Nasdaq, why are you ripping? Why is Nasdaq ripping? Let me try to find Powell. Powell, where are you, Jerome Powell? Speech. 8:07 a.m. What's going on, William? Welcome back. All right, here it is. Oh, this is just a preview. He's on at 11, guys. 11 a.m. What's a 10-year? 10-year yield. What is it at? 1.65. All right, it's pulling on back. I appreciate that, Tim. I appreciate that. Patrick, I'm with you on that one. I'm still debating if I should hop in on Viacom. That might be a sign, man. Those triple fours, quadruple fours, 4 4 4 4. It's still holding green on the day. Let's wait. My thesis, my analysis. Let's wait to see if it holds this level here at 44. If it can hold 44 for a couple of days, possibly by Friday, I'm gonna trigger a position and hold over the weekend. If it comes down under 44, it's most likely going to see 40 again. 11 a.m. I'm sorry. PST, Pacific. So here, 11 a.m. here. Oh, Michael, yeah, I'm still waiting for Disca. Same thing, same thesis with Viacom and Discovery. Wait to see if it holds this 44 level. 44 level on both. Just wait. I wouldn't necessarily agree, Michael. I mean, Nasdaq came back. We're ripping on Nasdaq now, but things can change really quick in 3 hours. I mean, after hitting highs, we should expect the pullback too. And if that comes through, Powell's gonna give us that pullback later. Let's see. All we can do is wait. Let's see. Andrew Mo Money just asked on his live if you really paper handed. Yes, I did. Let's check. Let's see. Let's see. Thoughts on ROM? Oh, not a lot of momentum, but there's always see that uptrend. What is this? ETF, right? Yup, ETF. And if you're going long term, it doesn't really matter. Daily, intraday momentum, volume doesn't really matter if you're going long term. I invest in the index myself long term. Every single month, I just allocate a couple $100 a month, go long term. That's the safe, guaranteed way to do it. The safe way. But of course, you know me. I'm a sucker for momentum and volatility. I'm McChew27 saw your recent video about AMC. Don't sweat it, dude. We apes understand. Diamond hands you game style. I sold AMC and put on crypto, make money, stay positive. I appreciate that, McChew27. I appreciate you always coming in through every day. You guys don't have to donate like always. Don't donate, baby. Don't donate. Use that money, put it in the stock market. No WPF. You guys were here on the stream yesterday. You guys figured out that they broke the streak, man. They gave us a different stock. I keep thinking this is GameStop. I'm so used to having game. I'm so used to having GameStop on the left hand side. I keep getting confused, but Tesla's actually the one that's pulling back. No, I'm still in GameStop. All right, baby. Come on down, baby. Come on down, GameStop. I mean AMC. Oh, I mean Tesla. I'm just so conditioned now. So conditioned to have GameStop and AMC. GameStop and AMC. Usually for Tesla, when I want to day trade this, I wait for it to be super overextended, like this on the 5 minute. In this case, it came up from down a market open at 686 all the way down to 682. I would have already initiated my position, but I missed the dip on this one. I need a banana. Oh man. GameStop double bottom at 178. Ah, don't double bottom on me, GameStop. If it comes down, I'm telling you, mid 170s might be the next level. Speaking of double bottom, Tesla 686. If it comes down, I might catch this one, guys, for a day trade. If it comes to 685 here, get ready. I'm not holding AMC, Jeffrey. There's that breakdown. See, and that's the thing. If Trey makes videos on other stocks, there's no problem about that. I don't know where you guys where this hedgy paying off threat thing comes in. Like there's stocks out there that have opportunity and there's potential, and he's just sharing his thoughts. That's it. I think this is way over blown out of proportion. It blows my mind. It truly does. I think I got out Habeen at 10:01, 10:01 or 10:02 is when I got executed. There's that break here, 177. Usually, every time we crack double bottom on GameStop, what do we see? We're followed by a pretty aggressive bounce, pretty decent recovery, a fight basically. So we have a bounce here. Let's see 170, 178. Let's bounce back. It doesn't pull back as aggressively. Tesla still pulling back. There we go. We're still not seeing signs of a bounce on the 5 minute. Are we oversold on the 5? Not necessarily just yet. Let's wait for it. A double bottom here. 180. What? 685. 11. Let's see. Let's see that. We're gonna come on down. Set up another alert really quick. Oh man, I hate when I have to use the restroom. This always happens on the dips. Come on down, baby. Come on down. This is freaking black coffee. Is it coming? Is it coming? Is it coming? Are you bouncing, Tesla? Come on. Ah, don't bounce. Yeah, John, I'd be lying to everybody if my thesis changed, if I thought differently, if there's a new idea in my head, something not feeling right, and I continue to just feed the narrative. I would be lying to everybody. I'd be lying to all the apes. Here we go. We might see another leg down here on Tesla. Is this the anticipation of the end pullback here on Nasdaq? Not necessarily spiced up above 400, 406 holding pretty strong there. AMC 996. Seems like it's following GameStop now. There's that pullback. Alert gone off. I've tried I've tried that with my phone. Trading on your phone on Thinkorswim is so bad. It'll ask you for your password before you want to sell and buy. It's really annoying. By the time you put in your password and everything, it's that stock gone. Stock's gone. If the squeeze happens, Gamma Ralph will get FOMO, of course, and get bullish again. You know you're a coward. Say it right now. You won't buy in if it Gamma. I will buy in. I will FOMO in. I will pay that higher price. I will pay that premium. That's not called being a coward. That is called being adaptable. Adaptability. Adapt or die, baby. That's the way I see it. Adapt or die. Come on, Tesla. Don't bounce on me yet. Patrick, you're in Tesla already? I'm waiting for it to come down. I think it could see like 684, maybe 683.50 if I could get that extension on the way down. Here we go. Here we go. Are you day trading Tesla? I was obviously yes, 100%. 100%, 100%. There we go. Pulling back still. I appreciate that, Randy. Yeah, Powell's on later, so be very careful with your positions. That's why I don't necessarily want to hold onto Tesla too long. GameStop pulling back, new low on the day. Slowly pulling back. Nothing aggressive just yet. Oh, I bought 25 shares of Tesla. 25 shares here. I try to buy five. This always happens. Fat finger mistake. All right, let's see this bounce, baby. Give me that bounce. Give me that bounce. Might pull back one more time to like 683. I think the overall market, Nasdaq, is still pulling back. Let's take a look at Nasdaq right now. Yep, Nasdaq is dipping. It's bloody right now, so I guess I should sell my Tesla. Obviously, I didn't try to buy 25 shares. It was an accident. Tesla's still trying to bounce. GameStop pulling back. Is AMC following? No, AMC has a, oh my God. Guys, are you guys seeing that ass there? Heavy manipulation still. It's stuck here at 995 and 996. I think it'll find some support at 995. It's not following a GameStop. Is Tesla bouncing? Yeah, Tesla's slightly bouncing. No, it's 11 PST. Pacific, baby. All right, here comes the next pullback. Tesla. 1 minute EMA rejection on the 5. We're not seeing that bounce just yet on the 5 minute. Of course, always watch the NASDAQ. Always watch the overall index. There might be another leg down, another pullback. Are we bouncing here? Is this the bounce? Is this the bounce? NASDAQ is bouncing probably. Let's see. Let's see it. Watch NASDAQ. Watch this bounce on NASDAQ. Translate here on Tesla. Let's see. Let's see. How are we on the 5? Actually, no. There might be some more room for downside, guys. I'm gonna see. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. All right, let's start selling in blocks of 5. I did not get filled in. You could. This is the cool thing about Thinkorswim. You could lower this or higher this. Yeah, there's weakness on this bounce, guys. It's not bouncing. All right, got filter 5. It's not. We're not bouncing aggressively. Yeah, poo poo for Tesla right now. The bounce is not there. The aggressiveness is not there right now. What time is it? 8:30. We're gonna add more Tesla. I think it'll come down to like 684. One of the biggest red flags here on Tesla was one EMA rejection. Number two, a weak bounce. Here it comes on down, pulling back. Watch the overall index. Watch Nasdaq continue to sell off. That's your key right there, Nasdaq. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. All right, here it comes down. Here she comes. 5 minute guys are look at the 5. Nothing but red crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we seeing the bounce here now on the 1? Is this the bounce here already? No, I don't think so. Neo's falling hard as well. Of course, it's gonna follow Tesla. Look at this. Oh shoot. I'm actually kind of interested. Oh damn it. Might be interested in. Look at the 4 hour trend line, guys. Look at these lower highs. This is the huge resistance, huge red flag, and we're honoring that today for Neo. All right, there it goes. It's pulling back. 683. Let's hop back in Tesla. 5 shares here. Alex, stop watching the ads. All right, Katie tweeted. Let's pull this up really quick. CCAV and Viacom also down. Going for CCAV long term. For EMA, what do you use? 5 minute instead of anything? I don't understand your question. What do you use the 5 minute instead of anything else like the 60? Favorite time frames are 1 minute, 5 minute, and 4 hour. My top 3 time frames: 1 minute, 5 minute, and it's the 13 EMA exponential moving average, not the 9. 9 is a really popular EMA too. He tweeted, what is this like? It's like a music video.
Drama, but not for me, not for
Like
me.
Taylor
All I think
Swift
about is karma. The world moves on another day.
with the cat head.
The world
Oh, that's a real cat mask. All right, this might be the bounce here on the 5 for Tesla. Let's just hold on to these 10 shares. Obviously, it's not a crazy, ridiculous position. Very small. Testing the waters on Tesla. Feel like I'm going to be rusty on Tesla again. I'm going to be a little rusty, and if it continues to pull back, we won't get burned. Nasdaq is disgusting right now. It's selling off. Nasdaq continues to pull back. Watch Tesla to continue to pull back. But again, we're waiting for that bounce here on the 5. We haven't seen that yet on the on the 30-minute. Tesla looks like it's about to fall off the cliff and fill the gap here at 660s, man. I'm waiting for you. Check Disca if you can. Still pulling on back, man. I don't think it's testing right now. Testing that support here at 43, which was yesterday's midday levels after that pretty decent rally coming up from 41. So let's wait and see. GameStop bouncing. Is AMC following? What was it at? Where were the walls at? 995, right? So it actually pulled back to 985 at 985. Let's see if we see that bounce here and then follow GameStop. GME. All right, looks like Tesla's trying to Tesla's trying, man. Tesla's trying to bounce, but look at after the 1 minute EMA, straight up resistance or 20 minutes. 20 minutes we have yet to see the bounce. The bounce might be here. It might not. It might actually sell off. Who knows? We'll see. We're not deeply in Tesla. So manage that risk. There we go. There we go. Testing EMA once again. Just fly, baby. Fly, Tesla. You have wings. I appreciate that, Mario. Keeping it real always, baby. All right, there we go. 684 resistance EMA. Not a good sign. There comes the next pullback, next leg down. If we see another leg down, don't be surprised if it has a double bottom on Tesla here, right around 682. But from the looks of it, Tesla's trying to bounce here. Look at this massive green candle. I like it. I could assume that Nasdaq is bouncing now. Yep, there we go. Sometimes Tesla follows Nasdaq. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it's its own beast. But on the 5 minute. We're due for that bounce, man. We're due for the bounce here on the 5. This bounce is 686. This is my price target here for Tesla. 686. That's where I'll probably just take my profit. Let's see. How much will you put in for a day trade? It depends. Sometimes I get a little aggressive. You just might be like 40,000, 50, maybe on a good day. It'll be like 100K. It just depends. It's cost something to look at. I think cost follows the meme stocks, quote unquote. There's GameStop with the reversal. 179 on the 5 minute. How are we looking on the 5? We're above EMA now, slightly on the 5. We've seen this pattern where we have massive resistance on the 1 minute for GameStop, selling off to about this time of day. So very interesting to see that recovery again. So there's Tesla bouncing to our price target here at 686. Again, if you look at the 5 minute, where does that leave us? At the blue line, at the EMA. Let's wait for that next slight leg up. Here we go. Here we go. I'll see you later, Gil Bates. Thank you for tuning on in. All right, here comes the test. Are we holding? Are we holding EMA? Or we're pulling them back. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I've seen SOS. I don't want to hop in anymore. No, I'm saying nah. I don't want to trade it. I don't want to say I don't want to hop in anymore. That sounds like I already hopped in. No, I don't. I don't want to trade SOS. Any positions of Viacom? Not yet. Not yet. I've made the mistake on freaking Netflix of just hopping in right as soon as it pulls back, and it keeps on pulling back. It's like when you buy the dip and it continues to dip. I don't want that to happen on Viacom. And we're being patient. We're being patient. Smiley, don't do that. You don't. No, no, no. As much as I appreciate that, that's. I don't think that's the right thing to do. There's Tesla. It looks like the trend might be here, guys, for Nasdaq. It's still selling off. Nasdaq is not bouncing just yet. I call that the Powell effect. The Powell effect. We're not seeing that bounce just yet, guys. I think we should manage risk. Just sell 5. There we go. Just hold on to 5. We'll add more here on the breakdown at 682. Super, I guess I could say it was a pretty decent bounce. Not the bounce I expected, I anticipated. Strength is not just there yet. Overall market is pulling back in anticipation of Mr. Money Printer Jerome Powell. And this is just like baby positions right now. I'm just testing the waters, getting a feel back for the stonk. There it's pulling back. Usually I'll be a little bit more aggressive and quick on these trades, but slowly but surely, baby steps. It's like learning to walk again. Learning to walk again. Where I'd go a little bit more aggressive is that gap fill at 660. Licking my lips. Licking my lips for that fill. Looks like Tesla might fall off a cliff right now. Could you please repeat what you said about Viacom? Just patience on that one. Let it find some support. Let it have some confirmations of some support and a reversal, and then we hop in. Let's see. Let's see. There we go. Crackdown. Market is slightly turning red today after hitting new highs, man. Very healthy pullback. We'll see how healthy it is when Powell comes on the 5 minute. Bloody, bloody, bloody. No bouncing yet. Here we go. Is it gonna crack down EMA? Oh my god, I want to catch this so bad. Is it gonna crack or please don't bounce? Please don't bounce. Just sell off. Just bounce down. There we go. There we go. Tesla needs to recharge the battery. Today I started buying Tesla little by little. It depends, Ben. Are you trying to catch the bounce? Are you trying to go in long term? Are you trying to swing trade it? What's your thesis on that? The markets are, why are the markets tanking? We're anticipating Powell to come on and talk to us about inflation. Inflation, baby. Interest rates. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my God, we're not pulling back. It's like you could have some amazing delivery numbers, man, on Tesla. Spectacular amid a chip shortage, amid zero production, Model S, Model X, long range Model 3 in China, and the stock still pulls back. Watch the 10-year. Watch the overall market. You can have all these positive catalysts, but the stock still goes poo-poo, still railing today. Would you include AMC in your power hour at least sometime? I would love to at least flash. Yeah, I'll look at AMC, guys. It's not like I'm just gone. I'm done with AMC. I said yesterday's video, I'll rebuy. I'll re-enter. So it looks like Tesla's holding some support here at 682. I think AMC will hold 10 today. Man, Tesla just doesn't want to come down for us. Oh shoot. Nasdaq's about to go red, guys. We're so close to going red. I think Tesla's easily gonna see 680 right now. Let's see it. Let's see it. I think Tesla was gonna sell off right now in the next couple minutes. Let's see. Is it gonna bounce? Oh my gosh. If you look at the 15-minute, oh my god, this is scary here. Descending triangle. Lower highs. Let's just be patient. Let's wait. Let's wait. There's GameStop. Beautiful push. 179 on the 15. We're testing that EMA 180. Let's go above 200, man. That's when we've just been. GameStop has been teasing us here at 180s. I feel like I've seen 180 forever. Yeah, it's a very very slow game here on Tesla too. It's like it wants to hold near the lows here at the market open lows. 682, but with the overall market and anticipation of Powell with his selling off aggressively going from green to red, I think Tesla might pull back here. Let's see. If there's a bounce here on the 5 before a pullback, you could possibly see 685, 684. Let's wait and see this. There we go, GameStop. Continue those green candles. All right, there's that bounce coming on in, but every time we bounce on the 1 minute for Tesla, it's been pulling on back. 685 here, spike pulled back. 685.70 pulled back. Are we closing above EMA here? Nasdaq bouncing or what? Yes, Nasdaq is slightly bouncing, but we are waiting still for freaking Powell. Let's wait. Let's wait. Look at this. Every single time we've pushed above EMA on the 1, it's immediately sold off. I don't like that. Man, it's trying so hard to bounce. All right, this might be it. This might be the bounce. Here we go. Double bottom at 182. Wow, impressive. SPY. Look at SPY. Oh my God, we going red on this one too. S&P 500 mini also pulling back. It just says the dead battery. Silva, what are you trading? Nasdaq futures, SPY futures. AMC isn't diluting. This is just FUD on full display. They've done it once, man. And of course, this goes back to the voting. The voting. Oh man. Tesla's not going out without a fight. Oh, the forward slash ES, you're trading 500 S&P 500 mini futures. Be careful with futures. All right. Nasdaq bouncing, Tesla still bouncing here at 685, but again, I don't want to buy this dip. I think Powell's really gonna just crap on us later. I'm sorry to hear that, Gabe. I'm sorry to hear that. Same here, Robert. That it doesn't sit right. 500 million dilution, share dilution is it's absurd. It's absurd. I understand they need capital to survive. I understand they need money, but that's just like I don't understand how they'll pass. Put it that way. The Diamond Life, no, I'm scared to touch SOS. I don't want to hop in on that, especially with the market right now. Anticipation of Powell, Nasdaq going from green to red, bouncing as of now. Let's wait and see. All right, there's that 5-minute EMA test on Tesla. Damn, I really didn't think we would have bounced this aggressively here on the 5. Let's wait and see. I'm not chasing it, however. What's going on, Omar? I feel good. I feel pretty good. Neo was being sold off aggressively on the 1 minute. Has it seen the bounce yet? I'm sorry, on the 5. On the 5, we're still seeing that bounce, but look how we haven't even crossed above the blue line like Tesla. Tesla's just bouncing right now aggressively. I like that. I like it showing strength here, but I've had that chance. I've had that play before where I catch the dip on the double bottom and it keeps on breaking down. With Nasdaq ripping and consolidation right around the flat line, we're pretty much flat on Nasdaq right now. I'm not chasing Tesla. Just be patient. Be patient. The diamond left. Yeah, I got wrecked on Doge. No more Doge till it pulls on back to the low lows. The Fed, we have Powell coming on in 2 hours. So we're still holding 5 shares of Tesla. I want to add more on the dip at 682. We didn't get that breakdown just yet. Wait for Powell. Wait for future. Wait for now. Watch the overall index. Let's take a look at the heat map. Very mixed still. GameStop 177 still. Downtrend on the 1 minute. AMC 993. Yeah, be careful getting a scam call for your AMC control number. Do not give him your control number. Just phone no. You should not ever receive a phone call asking for your control number. ODT, my take on ODT from technicals. All right, it's a penny stock. Shares are trading higher, not seeing any company specific needs to justify price action. So why is ODT up 22% today? Oh, this is a dead cat. What a gap down from 17 all the way. I did not 373. This is basically a Viacom and a Discovery. Man, if I would have known about this stock before, I would have bought. Very interesting. Let's set our alert. It's a penny stock, but man. Yeah, careful with the phone calls. So Tesla seems to have found some support here at 685. We'll ride out the 5 shares. If the bullish momentum continues midday and somehow markets go up while Powell is speaking and we see 689, we'll just ride out these 5 shares. But if it comes on and pulls back under 682, we'll add more. What's going on, James? All right, here we go. Here comes the real test, the blue line test, as we call it, the EMA test. Are we holding or pulling on back? 684. I'm pretty sure Nasdaq futures are pulling on back as well. Definition of a dead cat is literally just a technical bounce. That's the way I see it. A technical bounce. GameStop is not even moving. 177.90. There we go. All right, futures, futures. Any free shares on Webull? Let's check. Webull. Yesterday they broke the streak. They broke our streak. 3 chances of a free stonk on Webull. Yesterday they broke the WPF streak, guys. We got LSCC. Alrighty. Very strong signs of a bounce here on Tesla. It's a very slow day today. James, I'm still waiting. I'm not gonna rush Viacom. Not just yet. Not just yet. When did WPF change their name to LNCC? So pretty much just gonna stabilize around here on 684, I think, until Powell on comes on in 2 hours. We're gonna be back power hour, guys. I'll plug in the free Discord for you guys. I'll be in there right now. The free Discord. But if Tesla comes down under 682 and possibly 680s, it can easily close the gap here at 660s. This is what we're waiting for. So yeah, we're gonna come back power hour. All right, looks like we're pulling back now. We'll we'll open the Webull stocks in power hour. You have a buy order at 655. Will we get that triggered today? Will we see 655? Possibly not today, honestly, no. Unless some crazy news comes out, I don't think we'll see 655 today. A swing on Viacom Neural. I'm looking for a swing. I have my alerts ready. Oh, I'm waiting for that Tesla Webull share. They've already hinted at us that they're switching it up yesterday. All right. With that being said, I appreciate those who tuned in today. I truly do. I'm plugging the Discord one more time. I'm gonna be in there right now, and then I'm gonna head off and handle some errands. And hopefully by then, Powell does his magic, whatever he does, however the market reacts, and we're able to swoop up some Tesla under 680. GameStop leaving you with here at 178. I will see you guys later for Power Hour. Peace.